Well, here we are in Ormeau Hills at an amazing property behind me, an ex-display home with so much to offer. Go inside, check it out. Being an ex-display home, there are so many amazing qualities here, not only from the family-friendly floor plan with a media space, outdoor entertainment, but the built-in speaker system throughout, ducted air conditioning, and a super easy maintenance land as well. If you're in the market at the moment for a family home on one level, this is one you need to see. And the good news is we're now vacant and priced to sell. We'll talk to you soon.